Hello and welcome again to Allool Media International News. Emboldened by a fourth consecutive landslide election victory, Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Oban is expected to dig in against energy sanctions on Russia and toughen his stance in talks with Brussels to unlock frozen EU funds. Nationalist Oban, who held on to his sweeping majority on Sunday, crushing the opposition despite efforts to unite against him, will likely to continue to reject any EU sanctions on Russia's oil and gas, arguing they would wreck an economy already slowing due to the impact of the Ukraine war. The Oban victory can also be seen a victory for Russia. The two countries have been seen as close allies by the West. Now the EU and America await to see if the new Oban government will be any closer to them or to Moscow. On the other hand, the Russian President Vladimir Putin have been sending his well wishes to the power man of Hungary, Viktor Oban. In Asia now, North Korea has condemned the South Korean Defense Ministry's remarks about its ability to strike against the North and warned it will destroy major targets in Seoul if the South takes any dangerous military action such as a preemptive strike. Kim Young-jong, the sister of North Korea leader Kim Jong-un, said in a statement on Sunday that the South Korean Defense Ministry remarks further worsen the inter-Korean relations and military tension on the Korean peninsula. The statement comes after Soo Woo said on Friday that South Korea's military has a variety of missiles with sufficiently improved firing range, accuracy and power, with the ability to accurately and quickly hit any target in North Korea. Soo also said the ministry will effectively support the military to ensure it has the capability to respond overwhelmingly to North Korea's militaristic threats. He called the North its enemy. In other news, the Gulf states are channeling up to $22 billion to Egypt to help it overcome a currency crisis, the third such rescue in a decade, as analysts watch for greater exchange rate flexibility to avert future crises. The central bank allowed Egypt's pound, which had been stable since November 2020, to drop by 14% against the dollar on March 21st after Russia's invasion of Ukraine prompted investors to withdraw billions of dollars from Egyptian treasury market. Last week, Saudi Arabia and Qatar have both pledged to invest $5 billion each with Egyptian banks. The flurry of Gulf investment into Egypt is reminiscent of the period after ousting of President Morsi in 2013, when the Gulf pledged $23 billion in financial aid. This has been Allool Media International News. Thank you for watching.